Okay, welcome to Concept Recap channel, and today we shall look at one example in the linear ordinary differential equations, and there are other 4 examples in the other videos. So as you can see on the screen, that's the question. You can pause the video, find a piece of paper and take down the equation and solve it and try to get an answer. So let's look at it together now. So the question is this one. Minus 0.04 t. So as you can see, that's the question, and the question says you have to find the solution, the general solution of this ordinary differential equation. So the first thing you have to do is to determine which type of ordinary differential equation you are dealing with. So as you can see, this one is close to linear ordinary differential equations, only that if you take care of this 25 in front of dt. So how are you going to do that? Then it's easy. You just divide throughout the equation. So let's do that. So you have like this, dt plus t, like that. So you will have here as 1 over 25 and here 25. So if you look at it now, it's kind of in a linear ordinary differential equation form. So the linear, just to remind you that the standard form was this. So y dx plus p of x y is equal to q of x. So you can identify your p of x and q of x here, as we said. So in this case, our p of x is let me just so our p of x is this one. This is our p of x, and q of x is all of this to the right hand side. So now the next step is to find the integration factor, and your integration factor is given by e to the power dt. So what you're going to put inside here is the your p of x. So according to this one, our p of x is this 1 over 25. So if you write it in a decimal form to make it easy, so it will be 0.04. So that's how it will look like. So after that, then our integration factor is given by this, because you integrate the top this, so it will be, this is a constant, then to be 0.04 t. That will be your integration. So that is our integration factor. Now the next step is to multiply the integration factor through the original equation. How we do that is we shall have our original equation like this, and we shall have 0.04 t is equal to if you do this, it will be in 275, then it's 3, then remainder is 5, into 5, then it's point. So then you add 0, then 250 is 2, then it will be something like this. Now we shall multiply our integration factor throughout the equation. So to the left hand side, this one will be, if I bring this just outside, so it will be 0.04 t, and you will multiply here also by e 0.04 t. Now the next step is you integrate both sides. So I shall integrate both sides like this dt, then I shall integrate this as well, dt. So, and for the left hand side, as we said, is the result will just be the integration factor times big T. So it will be T times the, sorry about that, so it times E 0.04 T, and that will be our integration for the left hand side. And for the right hand side, let's integrate it. It will be, look, because this 3.2 is a constant, I shall take it out and remain with the integral. So now the laws of exponents, you just have to add the powers. So you add these guys, so it will be like that. So if you add this, it will give you 0, because this is minus, this is positive. So it will be dt. So now, if you find the answer, if you integrate this guy, it will be 1. Anything to power 0 is 1. Yes, so therefore, your result will be 0.04 t is equal to 3.2 t. And you don't forget the constant of integration. Now, as you can see, this one in the options is not there. So we have to make t subject. The general solution will be given by making t subject. So if this guy comes to this side, what will happen? What will happen is you will have, according to the options, if you divide, it's the same as you raise it to the top with a minus on the power. So it will be the same thing like this, because I'm dividing by everything. Then I should be able to have this, because I will multiply, then it was supposed to divide, then it will be like that. So it will be minus 0.04 t. So that will be my answer. So as you can see, this is available on the options. So this is your answer. And according to the options we have, you can guess the answer is C. So that's how you solve it. In an exam, you should be able to do this in maximum 3 minutes, but maybe 2 minutes. Yeah. But because I was explaining, that's how it can take several minutes. But yeah, so see you in the other examples, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.